Select the reaction representing incorrect major product. Students, in this question we are given with some reactions of anisole and we have to identify that which is an incorrect major product given. So let's start with option 1. Anisole when reacts with Br2 in ethanoic acid, para-bromoanisole is formed. Student, this is a correct reaction, as in case of anisole during electrophilic substitution reaction para product is the major one. So here it is para bromo, that means this is the correct major product. Moving to next, anisole when reacts with CH3Cl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and CS2. Student, this is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In this case, para-methyl anisole is a major product formed and it is already given here, that means this is a correct reaction. Moving to next, anisole when reacts with CH3COCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Student, this is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Here also the major product is para-acyl anisole, but here given product is ortho product, which is a minor product. As we have already discussed that para product, that in case of anisole on electrophilic substitution reaction gives para product as a major one. So this is an incorrect product, and anisole on reaction with H2SO4 and HNO3, para nitroanisole is formed. This is also the correct product given. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 87. Let's read the question. Electrophile involved in coal-base reaction for formation of 2-hydroxybenzoic acid from phenol is. Student, I'm writing the reaction. This is phenol. In case of coal-base reaction, first it reacts with NaOH with CO2 further, and then undergoes hydration in acidic medium. The product formed is OH, COOH major plus, here para will be the minor one. So student, here electrophile involved is CO2. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 88. Let's read the question. Which one is most reactive towards electrophilic reagent? Students, for this question we need to know that electron donating group activates the ring towards electrophilic substitution reaction. So it is very clear that in case of option number 4, both the groups attached, that is OCH3 and OH, shows plus M group. As a result, will increase the electron density on the ring. As a result, will make the ring most reactive towards electrophilic reagent. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 89. Let's read the question. The major product of the reaction is. Students, in this question we are given with the ether, and when it reacts with HI, HI is 1 equivalent. We have to identify the product. So student, here I'm writing the reaction. This is the ether, the lone pairs plus H plus gives protonation of ether takes place. H is attached. There will be a positive sign. Now student, this bond will shift towards oxygen. As a result, here it will be OH and here there will be a positive sign. Students, this bond shift here because here the carbocation formed will be 3 degree, and if this bond could have shifted here, the carbocation formed could have been 2 degree, and we all know that 3 degree carbocation is more stable than 2 degree. As a result, this carbon will acquire a positive sign. So now the carbocation will attack on I minus, and the compound so formed is, here it will be OH and here it will be methyl and then iodine. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 3. So answer is option number 3. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 90. Let's read the question. In the given reaction, product P is. So let's solve the question, students. We are given with an alkyl bromide. This, when reacts with Mg in the presence of ether, Grignard reagent is formed. So Grignard reagent is MgBr, and further this when reacts with D2O, the compound so formed is alkane, but from deuterium here D will come. As a result, the answer is option number 2. So answer is option number 2. That was my last question, students. Thank you so much. I hope this quick solution is helpful for you all. All the very best and be safe. Thank you so much.